Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about Dart objects and cascade operator in Dart programming. So guys, Dart is an object-oriented programming language that defines an object as any entity that has a defined boundary. So guys, we have seen objects previously like the animal objects and the child's class objects as well. Now the object, it is having different properties. So one of the property is state, which describes the object. That is, the fields of a class represents the object's state. So it can have different variables and different methods as well. The next property is behavior, which describes what an object can do. So it can have different methods in order to display or do some arithmetic operations as well, do some manipulations with the strings as well. The next thing is identity, a unique value that distinguishes an object from a set of similar other object. So guys, this is nothing but this is the name of the object, or we can say the variable name. And then two or more objects can share the state and behavior but not the identity. So the name has to be different whenever we are creating multiple objects over here. And then the period operator, that is dot, is used in conjunction with the object to access a class's data members. So as we have seen previously as well, whenever we are having a class, so inside this main method we have the class, that is student, and then this is the object, or we can say the identity, that is S1, and then we are creating the new class object over here. So in order to access this method, that is test method and test method 1 over here, we have to use the object name followed by a period, that is dot. So all these things guys we have seen previously. Now what is the cascade operator? This is the new concept that we are going to learn. So whenever the cascade operator can be used as a shorthand in cases where there is a sequence of invocations. So in this case, as you have seen, we have used two methods, that is test method and test method 1. So guys, in this case it is leading to multiple lines of codes over here with the help of this object name, that is S1. So is there any shorthand method in order to call both of these methods? So yes, we can use the cascade operator in this case, and this is the same example that we can see. So we have the class student, it is having two methods, that is test method and then test method 1. So guys, in order to call both of these methods, we can simply create a new object, that is new student, followed by two periods over here, as you can see, double dots, and then followed by the name of the method, and then again followed by two dots, and then the name of the other method. So guys, let us understand this with the help of example over here. So let's say I'll just remove this lines of codes and I'll keep this class, that is animal, over here, and I'll just remove this. And then let's say we have two methods over here. So let's say we have void method, and then we just print this is method 1. We just name it as method 1 over here for simplicity. And then let's say we have another method. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here, and we have method 2. So this is method 2. So guys, in order to call both these methods, so previously what we used to do is first we need to create the object of this class. So animal class followed by animal 1. So this is the object, and then new keyword followed by animal, and then this is the way we create an object of the class. And then what we can do is we can use this animal 1 dot method 1 in order to print this statement, that is in method 1, and then the same thing we are going to paste over here and then change the method name, that is method 2. So what this is going to do is this is going to print both these statements in both the methods over here. So I'll just save this file and try running this code and clear the screen. So as you can see, this is method 1 and this is method 2. So guys, how do we use the cascade operator over here? So as you can see, we are just printing these two lines of codes over here which are present in these methods, that is method 1 and method 2. So this animal 1 object can be removed since we just want to print the statements that are present in these methods which are not using any other variables as well. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'll just remove this object from here, and then we don't have the animal object, so I'll just remove these two objects as well. And what we can do is new animal followed by double period, and then we have the method 1 followed by open and close brackets, and then we have method 2 as well. Before that we have two periods, that is cascade operator we are using over here. So guys, this new animal is going to create the object of this class, and then that object we are not assigning it to any variable, but we are using it in order to invoke these methods, that is method 1 and method 2 over here. So let me save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, this is method 1 and this is method 2 is getting printed, and in this way we can easily use this cascade operator in order to reduce the lines of codes that are required in order to print some statements that are present inside the class. So guys, you can easily use this cascade operator and be efficient as far as your coding is concerned. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is collections and iterator in Dart programming. So stay tuned.